VitalPBX is an innovative, unified communications PBX system that delivers a modern customer experience. It provides an intuitive interface and powerful features that help businesses boost productivity. Combined with our Sonata Suite, it really is the perfect solution for call centers that need a reliable and feature-rich platform to manage their interactions. Sonata Suite makes it easy to handle significant call volumes while providing excellent customer service. Discover in this video how the different features of Sonata Suite can help you take your call center to levels you've never seen before. The Sonata Switchboard is the perfect way to supervise your call center in real time. With its easy-to-use platform, you can keep track of all calls and ensure that each agent is performing at their best. You can see who's on the phone and how long each call takes. As a result, you'll be able to spot problems and solve them quickly before they become a more significant issue. With real-time supervision, you can keep an eye on their progress and make sure they're following your protocols. Whether you're looking to increase efficiency or make sure your customers are getting the very best possible customer service, the Sonata Switchboard is the solution for you. Sonata Suite is a must-have for all call centers and carriers. It'll boost your customer service, agent productivity, and more. So if you're seeking the best possible software solution, well, Sonata Suite is the obvious choice. Try Sonata Suite on your VitalPBX installation today.